Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to turn off notification on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to turn off notification on Sweatcoin app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have opened the app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner and then tap on the settings option. There you can find the notification section. So simply all you need to do is simply push the dongle to the left hand side, and once you push it to the left hand side, the notifications will now be turned off on your device. So if you will do it vice versa, then you can again start to get the notification as the notification button has been turned on your Sweatcoin. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.